Welcome to Online Learning Week 3 for our math class. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but there's no school on Friday. So it is a very special holiday, ladies. As you can see, it looks like Walmart has got their Easter dresses out. So in case you're looking for something special, this one right here looks real nice. In all seriousness, it is Easter this weekend. Here's a picture of me and my husband when we went to see the Garden Tomb when we were over in Jerusalem. A very neat experience, but just because of this, no school on Friday, which means all of your work for math class is due this Thursday. So please make sure that you have everything turned in from this week by Thursday. And on that note, there is a new submission deadline for my class. Previous to this, it's been midnight on Fridays, but the sad bummer is I am continually getting work all the way up until midnight, and then that's causing me to have to do a lot of grading over the weekends. I have missed a ton of time with these boys because I've been working so very much, which I want you guys to have the best online experience. But I want to let you know, normally you leave school here at Trinity at 3 o'clock on Fridays. So from now on, all of your math work is due to me by 3 p.m. If it's not in by 3 o'clock, it will be considered late. So please make sure, starting not this next week because your work is due on Thursday, so I'll accept it at any point on up until Thursday at midnight. But after that, from then on, all work will be due Fridays at 3 p.m. I've been really impressed by all the work that I've seen turned in, and a lot of people are not waiting till the last minute, so thank you for those of you. You make my life a little bit easier, but I wanted to give you just a little tool to help you in the Big Ideas Math where you guys go to do your homework. You'll see that there is this little button down here, and it says check. So if you want to, you can go ahead, you could put your answer in, say that you think this is 5 centimeters. You put that in, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and hit that check button down there. That check button allows you to see, did I get the answer correct or not? And I've actually turned on the feature where you're allowed to have up to 3 tries. So if you get the answer wrong, then you can go ahead and try once again to see if you can get it correct. If you still get it incorrect and you just don't know what to do, there's another feature that's pretty cool in here, and it's called the help button. In case you haven't seen that, what you can do is you can hit that, and then there's a little video tutorial that'll come up, and it will actually teach you how to do a problem very similar to the problem that you're on, and hopefully help you to understand the concept a little bit better. So I wanted to go ahead and point out those 2 buttons for you that can hopefully help you on your homework this week. So that brings me to what assignments I'm going to be looking for from you this week. The first thing is you're going to go ahead and watch a YouTube video. They're going to be your review notes. And what this is going to do is it's going to help you to prepare for your quiz. So after you watch the review video, then you're going to go ahead and do the worksheet, which is in your Big Ideas portal. After that, once again, please make sure you do the review notes first. After that, you may go ahead and go on and take your quiz. And here's a little thing about taking that quiz. You must do work. Just like in the classroom, you would show me work, you would show me the steps so that I can look in and kind of follow along to see how you were doing the work. You have to submit work to me still. I know all of our work is on the computer, but you've got to use scratch paper. So I still want you to label it number 1 and then go ahead, write the original problem down. Show me all the steps, make sure your work is nice and neat just like I would want it to be here in the classroom. And then you have to text me a picture when you're finished with your quiz of your work that you did during the quiz, and just go ahead and shoot me that text through the Remind app. Then one other thing that I want to let you know that's new for this week is I'm going to be having a Zoom help class. This is going to be on Monday at 2 o'clock. And you can see it, I put it in the lesson planner, and it's already got the link there for you to be able to join on. This is going to be a great way for you to ask any math questions you might have specifically for our quiz that we have coming up this week. You can ask me any questions you might have about your portal or things that you just don't know or understand, maybe something that you wonder about our class for this week. You can hop on there and ask me anything you want. You might just want to see your friends. You can hop on there to see your friends, but it's not mandatory. However, I would strongly encourage you to come just so that you can get any questions asked or answered that you might have. The next thing that I want to talk to you about is the lesson planner. This is a pretty cool feature that we have that kind of can keep all of your work that you need to do for the week in one place. So I want to show you exactly how to get into the lesson planner and how this can be a really helpful tool for you. All right, so what I've got here is a picture of when you go into your student portal. You can see right here, there's a lovely picture where your picture will look like. You hopefully won't look like a stick figure. But what I'm going to do first off is we're going to go ahead and go down here to the math section. Once you've clicked into the Math 7 section, I want you to focus on right here where it says Lesson Plans. This is where you're going to find the lesson plans for the week. After you've clicked on lesson plans, you can go down here and you can see where we've got all of our instructions for week 3. So just as I talked about, there's a review sheet coming up that you're going to have to do, the quiz, and then an optional Zoom help class. So all you're going to do is you're actually going to come over here and click on this little arrow to get you into each of those specific assignments. When you click into that, that's where you'll find a lot of the information that you're going to need about what you have to do for that assignment. So I went ahead and I clicked on that very first part, the review sheet, and you can see there it gives some instructions about after watching the review video, then go ahead and fill in your notes. It tells you then to complete the review sheet in the Big Ideas portal. If you keep scrolling down, then you will see down there any other information that you might need to have. So you can see right here, I've got all the instructions that you need right there. Here's the instructions about knowing that you have to do a homework assignment for that. Then you can also see down here, I've given you, this is where a lot of people will ask me, hey, where do I find my notes at? It's going to be down there in the digital resources. I've also attached the link for you to be able to go to the Big Ideas portal to do the homework, or over here there's also the attachment for you to go straight to the YouTube video. So once again, this is just going to be a great place, a good tool for you to see everything that you need to know. You can also come down here if you want to get information about your quiz, and then other information here about the optional Zoom help class. So please start looking in the lesson planner for all the details that you need. Once again, all links and documents that you're going to need and files will be here in the lesson planner section. I hope this video has been helpful for you. I am going to be praying for you guys this week. Please do your best, stay safe, use hand sanitizer. Good luck on your quiz this week, and I hope you enjoy your short week. Remember, everything's due Thursday because you have no school on Friday.